Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a social media content calendar in Canva step by step using the latest Canva features in 2026. If you manage social media for yourself, clients, or a business, a content calendar helps you stay organized, consistent, and stress-free. And the good news is you can design a professional content calendar easily in Canva. No advanced design skills needed. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Canva account. On the Canva homepage, go to the search bar and type Content Calendar or Social Media Planner. You'll see many ready-made templates for monthly, weekly, and even daily content calendars. Choose a template based on your posting frequency. If you post often, go with a monthly planner. If you want more detail, select a weekly or daily layout. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Now, let's customize it step by step. Start by updating the month and year at the top of the calendar. Replace the placeholder text with your actual month, for example, January 2026 content calendar. Next, edit the platform sections. You can label rows or columns as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or any platform you use. This helps you clearly see which content goes where. Now, click on each date box and write the content idea. For example, product posts, educational posts, reels, shorts, promotions, or announcements. Keep the text short and clear so it's easy to scan. If you want better organization, use color coding. For example, one color for promotional posts, another color for educational content, and another for engagement posts. Just click an element, change the color, and use the Change All option to keep it consistent. Next, customize fonts. Stick to one font for headings and one for content text. This keeps your calendar clean and professional. If you need more pages, click Duplicate Page to create another month or week instantly. This saves time and keeps your design consistent. You can also add icons or small labels like post, reel, story, or ad to make the calendar more visual. Once everything is filled out, review the calendar carefully. Check alignment, spacing, and spelling so it looks polished. Finally, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF if you want to share it with clients or your team, or PNG if you want to upload it elsewhere. And that's how you create a social media content calendar in Canva, step by step, in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.